Alrighty, so my big fancy truck just got delivered. I've been waiting on it for a week. Is that sexy or what? This is what you call a cutaway. It used to be an ambulance. Now it is a palette for me to paint my next masterpiece. A homemade DIY RV home. I will travel the United States until I get bored with the United States, and then I will put this in storage and fly to Europe. Woohoo! There we go. Now that I've got this, which has been a month in the process, I've got a couple of VA appointments, and then it's all back to catching up on model work. More to come, as always.